Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are looking at an app that's been getting a lot of attention lately. It's called FunTV. Now, this isn't just your regular streaming app where you watch movies and shows. This one actually claims you can earn rewards by watching. Sounds interesting, right? But the big question is FunTV really legit, or is it just another scam wasting your time? Stick around because I'm going to break it all down for you. So let's start with the basics. What exactly is FunTV? FunTV is an online streaming platform where you can watch movies, series, and short clips for entertainment. But here's the twist. While you are using the app, you can also earn coins. Those coins can later be converted into cash, and once you hit the minimum of $5, you can withdraw. Now let's talk about how you actually earn on FunTV. There are a few ways you can earn. First, there's the daily check-in. Simply log in every day and you get free coins. Then there are reward boxes that you can open for bonuses. You will also earn coins by watching ads and videos. On top of that, there are daily tasks and newbie tasks for extra rewards. And finally, you can earn by inviting friends with your referral link. Pretty straightforward, right? But here's something important to keep in mind. Earnings are not guaranteed. Don't expect this app to replace a job or pay your bills. Think of it more like a side bonus, a way to get a little extra while being entertained. So how does FunTV even make money to pay users? The answer is simple: advertisement. Every time you watch those ads inside the app, FunTV gets paid by advertisers. The rewards you are earning are just a small share of that ad revenue. Now comes the real question. Is FunTV legit or scam? From everything I've seen, FunTV is currently legit and does pay users. And here is the plus: you don't have to invest or deposit any money. That lowers the risk a lot compared to other so-called money-making platforms. But as with most of these apps, there is no guarantee it will last forever. It might pay today and disappear tomorrow, so use it wisely and don't rely on it too heavily. So to wrap it all up, FunTV is a free way to watch movies and earn a little on the side. If you are just looking for entertainment, it works. If you are hoping to make big money, this isn't it. If you found this breakdown helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want more reviews like this, subscribe so you don't miss out. Also, drop your thoughts or questions about FunTV in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience too. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.